Hello, and thank you so much for tuning in again today. This Dare to Share video is about working on a Craftsman lawnmower. Not myself personally, but my father and I were working together on his lawnmower. And I wanted to share with you some things that I did learn. If you're ever having ignition switch issues, then this Dare to Share video will help you out. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Enjoy. So we've had this lawnmower since 1994, and we do have an alternate lawnmower, one that we use for parts particularly, but this is the mower that we use to take care of the lawn. Um, my dad was able to exchange the switch out, and he already ruled out the alternator and battery and what have you like that. I don't do that part of the job. I only ride the lawnmower. Um, I only drive this thing and take care of the lawn from time to time with him, but he was explaining to me how to change it out, and I was like, well, I better get this on video because if I ever need to change out the alternator on it, I better have the information, right? So it wasn't difficult at all. He showed me how to remove the ignition switch from the lawnmower, and he showed me also how to um, disengage the fuel tank in order to get to it. And I showed you earlier the part number that I'm going to need to purchase. But in this case, we ended up not having to because the switch from the old lawnmower worked perfectly, and I haven't had any problems since. He changed it out for me. But yeah, that's what happened. And the switch itself is located right behind the fuel tank, so you will have to remove the fuel tank partially in order to get to it. And you might want to make sure that the part number that you get is accurate. I'm not sure if they're different part numbers, but the old lawnmower that we have is a Craftsman also, and it worked perfectly. Not the same model, but it is a Craftsman. So I hope this was beneficial for you. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless you and enjoy the rest of your day.